Good morning, viewers. Welcome to the Sea Breeze Rider channel. Lovely day today, sun shining. It's going to be about 25, so they say. Where are we off today? We are going to Bury St Edmunds, which is East Anglia. It's going to take about an hour and 30, something like that, with the twisties. I'm not going to do the A12. While we're going there, well, there's a motorcycle dealership called Krazy Horse up there, so I thought I'd make my way there and have a look around there. They do obviously cruiser types, but they are also dealerships for the Energica electric bike, and I saw it at the Motorcycle News Festival of Motorcycling, and I was just curious to see what deals they were doing on that, and just have a look at the models that they have in stock. So that's the plan. So we're now heading through Chelmsford, which is a town in Essex. Quite famous, Chelmsford, in its own little history. Apart from the fact it was an old Roman town. I think they called it Caesar's Marketplace, Caesar Romagus. It was formed in about, I think it was built, or the garrison was here in about AD 60, the Romans. But more recent history, in I think it's 1899, Marconi built his factory here, and it's just known as the birthplace of radio.
We break up and you slam the door. I messed up on the bedroom floor. What the hell do we do this for? I push you out but you come back. That attraction, we can't fight that. Oh, keep telling myself that I should let go, but I hold on. And oh, keep telling myself that
we're now trying to find an alternative, following Google Maps, but it does say Sudbury, that sign, so that's a positive. Still, I mean, you know, I've got nothing to complain about. Look at the beauty of this countryside on a sunny day. I've often wondered about you know, I mean, I say living in the countryside, I live in a town which is surrounded by beautiful countryside, but would I want to be this remote, stuck in, really, on your own in the middle of the fields? I don't know. Some people like that, some people don't. I suppose whatever takes your fancy. And can you afford to live out here? Not cheap. And what do you do for a living? I've often wondered where people live in these great big houses, what do they do? Well, maybe they've earned their money, now they're living in splendour out in the countryside. Maybe they're rock stars. Yeah, that's it. Decided to have a coffee stop next to a pub called the Mill Hotel. It's on the back end of it. Doesn't look very nice from the rear, but it's quite nice from the front. And it overlooks a really beautiful sort of walking area and place of natural beauty. Not a bad coffee stop, really. So here we are, just arriving at Krazy Horse in Bury St Edmunds. Ah, a little cafe as well. So, Augusta, Fantic, Norton, Indian, some lovely bikes here. Let's go and have a look at some Krazy horses then. Okay, so I'm out on the Energica Ribelle electric bike. Well, initially, yeah. Wow, what a great sound. It's literally just takes off. It's brilliant. Wow. Acceleration, typical of a electric bike, just immense power. And yeah, we'll have a little bit of fun around the twisties, and then I'll get off the bike and I'll have a look at it from the side. This is the Ribelle Energica. They are around about £24,000 or thereabouts. Really nice looking bike. Comfort, okay, so at my age I probably need something that's a little more upright, but they're not the worst bike comfort wise I've ever ridden, but really nice. You can have a look on both sides. I can't give you any specs because I don't know anything about them other than the rapidity of the machine is absolutely incredible. You have to be very, very careful not to get too excited because it moves, it shifts. The acceleration is, well, it's just phenomenal. But really nice design. It's very Italian, isn't it? you just look at the seating along here, it's really nice, and the back, it's lovely really, the whole design of it. Very good looking bike, nice red as well. I do like a red bike. Like I said, I'd prefer if it was a little bit more upright for me, but yeah, really good. Well, we're going to ride it back really. I don't want to spend too long out there. It's a lot of money to have in your possession, so I'm going to head back to Krazy Horse and then get myself a coffee, I think, after the exciting moment on this bike.